A decent amount of activity in the commodity currencies early Monday. The RBA was out with its latest policy decision and followed in the line of the other major central bank decisions before it, adjusting the policy outlook to the accommodative side. Still, unlike the RBNZ, the RBA stopped short of calling for that next move to be a rate cut and was actually more balanced in its outlook than anything else. But the RBNZ's downgraded assessment was backed up today with the release of a discouraging business confidence reading that could trigger a drop in New Zealand's H1 GDP below 2%. Looking at the major currencies, the yen has benefited from the ongoing demand in U.S. equities that continue to work their way back up towards the record highs seen in the second half of last year. The euro traded back down towards its recent multi-month low, but has actually held up quite well considering Monday's batch of troubling data reads out of the zone. The pound took a hit late Monday, but has stabilized into Tuesday after the setback from the news of the House of Commons rejecting all 4 Brexit Plan Bs. The market is jittery as we head closer to the new April 12th deadline, but we suspect things will be sorted yet again ahead of the fated date, with a deal to be figured out, or what is probably the more likely scenario of a more lengthy delay being granted. Looking at today's calendar, key standouts come in the form of Eurozone producer prices, UK construction PMIs, U.S. durable goods, and the New Zealand GDT auction. As a final note, it wouldn't be right to leave Bitcoin off the list today. The cryptocurrency has rocketed higher to clear some major levels, breaking back above a consolidation high from back in December to suggest it could be thinking about turning back up again in a more meaningful way. At a time when central banks have exhausted themselves with the unprecedented printing of money to keep sentiment running high and the global economy afloat, over a decade after the crisis of 2008, it would seem that a peer-to-peer decentralized currency with limited supply and an attractive technology that it rests on is, not for anything else, a compelling alternative consideration. That's all for now.